So hey you all, welcome back to my channel. For today I'm going to be showing you how to make your lashes look super long, very voluminous and yet not very clumpy, and I'm going to be showing you all of my tricks, my tips and everything in this video, so stay tuned. So we're going to start by curling our lashes and give it about 10 to 12 pumps of it, and start at the root of the lashes and then start to curl it, and make sure that your lashes don't look folded when you're doing this. So that's the reason why you got to start very close to your lashes. Be careful and don't pinch your eyes, and you will just get comfortable to doing it on a regular basis. We're going to use a little bit of kajal and I'm going to tight line my upper lash line. So what this does is it kind of gives you this invisible liner effect, and it makes the roots of your lashes look more thicker, and automatically it looks like you have more volume in your lashes, which is a great tip in my opinion. Once that's done, I'm going to take a little bit of black eyeshadow on a pack 079 brush, which is like a very flat very sturdy brush, and I'm just going to press the product along my lash line. So I'm not going to make it like a liner, but I'm just kind of wriggling my brush between the lashes, and I'm going very close to my lash line when I want to do this. So it looks like you're not wearing liner, but it also gives your lashes a lot of volume. So this is an age-old trick which has been done by a lot of makeup artists, especially for a no makeup look, and you want your lashes to look fluttery. So next up, I'm going to use the Sugar Lash Mob Limitless mascara, and I'm going to go from the base of my lashes, and then I'm going to start to turn my brushes inwards and then turn it outwards. So by doing that, I can get a lot of product at my roots, and I don't want to weigh down my ends of the lashes, because that is going to make my lashes look clumpy, and also with time it's going to start to lower the curl because your lashes get heavier. So just add more product only at the base of your lashes, which just helps to give it a perfect amount of volume. And once you're done adding more product at the base of the lashes, just start to wriggle your brush and pull it outwards and upwards, and turn it at the same time when you're doing it. Always make sure that when you're doing your mascara, you don't just coat the top layers and the top part of your lashes, and you take the wand very close to the roots, and then you start to layer your product. Be careful when you do this, and make sure that the wand does not get into your eyes. So open your eyes completely and make sure that you can see the roots when you're doing this step. So we're going to do the same for the lower lash line, and you can always use a little bit of cardboard just below your lashes if you feel like the lash wand is touching your skin. Another important tip is that everyone forgets to coat their lashes from the top side. So I'm also going above my lashes for maybe one coat of mascara. And another important thing to do is to clean your mascara and remove the excess product, which every mascara wand does. Every mascara wand always picks up too much product, which always leaves you with clumpy lashes. So next up, I'm going to use the Sugar translucent powder. You can use any translucent powder for this step. So I'm going to take it on a fluffy brush, and I'm going to coat my lashes with it, and I'm just going to coat only the bottom side of it. And so once that's done, I'm going to take my mascara wand and I'm going to do another coat of mascara. In this step, you cannot really wriggle a lot because your lashes have started to get dry. So just go for vertical strokes and pull it upwards when you're doing the same thing, and also use more product at the base of your root. And you can see that my lashes look so long right now. It looks like I got lash extensions. So it's extremely beautiful, and this tip works like magic. So make sure that you try it out, and make sure that you cover all the translucent powder. You don't want to be left with white patches on your lashes. So make sure that it's properly coated, and also coat your lower lashes from the bottom side. Don't forget to coat the inner and the outer lashes. This is what most of us avoid, but it makes a humongous difference with your lashes. And this completes the entire tutorial, and I hope you guys enjoyed all of my tips and tricks. So let me know which problems that you face with makeup, and I'll give you a couple of tips and tricks to work with it. Until next time, bye.